Hi everyone, I am Miss Azura.
I am Mona Al-Shazim.
I am NEGERI.
I am Japanese.
I am Mabashilagis.
And I am Ryan.
We are from SMK JELAI KUALA PILAH in Sembilan, Malaysia. Today we are going to share with you a special project we've been working on called
MATHFUSION.
MATHFUSION is not just any project. It's designed to make learning math fun and easy, especially for students like us. Let us explain how it works, how it's connected to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and the methodology we use to create it. First, what exactly is MATHFUSION? MATHFUSION is a board game that helps us learn math, especially algebra, in an exciting way. It's inspired by games like Snakes and Ladders, but with a cool twist. Instead of rolling a dice, we use something called Numbox, which contains math questions. Every time you pick a question and solve it, the answer decides how many steps a game piece called MF Mover can move on the board. If you reach a question mark, you have to answer a STEM general knowledge question. If your answer is correct, move 5 steps. If wrong, go down 2 steps. The aim is to reach the highest position on board. After 30 minutes or 4 rounds, the one who reaches the highest position wins.
MATHFUSION support SDG for quality education, which is about making sure every student get access to great learning tools. MATHFUSION helps by turning math into a game, so students like us can improve our math skill in an enjoyable way. It's perfect for students who might struggle with math, giving them confidence and practice too. Fun, but that's not all. MATHFUSION also connect to FDG 9 industry innovation and infrastructure because we use technology to create and design MF board, MF mover, and Numbox using apps like Tinkercad and Paperclip, and print it using 3D printer. This shows how innovative tools and technology can help us create new ways of learning. Also, SDG 12 responsible consumption and production relates to this project because the game pieces can be made using recycled material. If you want to produce it by yourself, making MATHFUSION eco-friendly, this makes the game not only educational but also good for the environment.
Now, let me explain the steps we follow to create MATHFUSION. First, identifying the problem. First, we realized that many students struggle with algebra, so we wanted to create a fun and effective way to help them improve. Number 2, designing the game. We then designed the board game inspired by Snakes and Ladder, using math question instead of dice. We also designed the MF mover for the game pieces and Numbox which hold the question. Number 3, prototyping and testing. After designing, we built a prototype of the game and tested it with students to see how well it worked. Number 4, monitoring and evaluation. We monitored how students respond to the game and made improvement based on their feedback. 5, assessing effectiveness. We checked how much MATHFUSION helped students improve their math skill and found that it really made difference. Number 6, presenting the project. Finally, we prepared everything to present MATHFUSION to you today.
Now, let's talk about how practical MATHFUSION is. The game is simple to set up and doesn't need expensive materials. We used the 3D printer to make MF mover and the Numbox. Numbox can be filled with any math questions, so it can be used from different levels, from stand-1 students to older students. It's also great for classrooms. Groups of 4 to 6 students can play at a time, with one person acting as the moderator to help manage the game. The moderator makes sure the rules are followed and helps with math questions when needed. This makes MATHFUSION a perfect tool for schools, math clubs, or even playing at home with friends and family. Of course, making MATHFUSION wasn't without challenges. Not all schools have a 3D printer, but they found a solution by collaborating with Pejabat Pendidikan Daerah Kuala Pilah that offered to use the existing 3D printer there to create our masterpiece. Also, making the game both fun and educational took some time, but after testing and improving it, we created something that really works.
Using MATHFUSION in school is easy. Teachers can prepare math questions, put them in the numbers and set up the board. The game helps students practice math, improve their critical thinking and solve the problem while having fun. One of the best things about MATHFUSION is that it's scalable. This means it can be played with different questions to suit different grades or even other subjects. This makes it a powerful tool for learning that can be used by many students in different places. In conclusion, MATHFUSION is a fun, practical and innovative way to learn maths. It supports SDG 4 by making learning interactive and engaging, connects to SDG 9 through the use of technology, and relates SDG 12 by promoting sustainability with recycled materials. It's easy to set up, flexible for different levels, and can be used by schools everywhere to help students improve their math skill in a fun way.
Our hope is that MATHFUSION will continue to inspire students to learn maths, develop important skills, and encourage innovative thinking. It's easy to use, adaptable for different levels, and has the potential to reach many students both in classroom and at home. We believe this project will not only help them succeed in maths but also prepare them for a brighter future. That's all from us. Thank you.